What's up gamers, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today's topic is showing you how to play Call of Duty Warzone on your Chromebook. Before I start today's tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can hit 40,000 subscribers, and you might also want to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post random stuff on there, YouTube updates, and if you're interested, go check it out, linked in the description below. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time, let's just get straight into the tutorial. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, go to this website, which will be linked in the description below. So what we're going to be using to play Warzone on our Chromebook is Boosteroid, which is basically Geforce Now on steroids. If you don't know what Geforce Now is, it's another cloud streaming platform just like this, but this one is way better. But there is a minor drawback. It does cost money. It costs around $11 a month or around $87 a year. If you don't want to pay for anything, you don't have to watch this video, but in order to play Warzone, I've searched the whole internet, I promise. This is the best, cheapest way for you guys to play, and I hope you enjoy. So if you want to keep watching and don't pay, or you want to pay and keep watching, doesn't matter. So what you want to do is sign in to your account or create an account. Just click sign in general if you don't have an account or not, and then if you don't have an account, there'll be a button in the bottom right here to create an account. Since I already have one, I'll just be logging in, but for most of you, you'll need to create an account. Once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click subscribe and play. You can do ultimate for €7.49, which is around, I think, $9 or $10, or €9.89, which is around $11. It's each month, but if you get this one, it will do a $90 annually payment, which is a lot of money, so I suggest you do this one to see if you like it or not. Now, once your subscription has been activated, you want to go to library, and then it will automatically select popular, which is Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto, all of these, and you can do Call of Duty Warzone. That's what we want to do. Just click play. Then sign in with your battle.net account. If you don't have one, you can create a free one, or if you do, you can log in. Now you'll be able to play, but if there's updates, you should update. Once it's done updating, just click play. Now Warzone will start to load up on your Chromebook, literally in the Chrome browser. And that, guys, is basically how you play Warzone on your Chromebook. Enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.